Godrej Enterprise Group, sustainability is part of the strategy. As an organization, we have created our sustainability strategy itself, what we call as Good and Green. And when you look at what Good and Green means, is basically integrating all the aspects of the value chain into sustainable progress and business. One important pillar that we talk about under Good and Green strategy is on making our products good and green. Now, when you actually make products green, you are integrating sustainability across the life cycle of the product. Now, the target that we have taken on this through our strategy is to have certain percentage of our revenues coming from products which are sustainable, that are green and good for the society. For us, we have taken a target that over the next decade, by financial year 32, at least 50% of our revenues should come from products which are sustainable, which are good and green. This is what is mainstreaming sustainability in the entire business operations and the strategy of organization is, because without sustainability being an integral part of the strategy, this ambitious target set by the organization cannot be achieved. Now, as far as looking at important aspects of sustainability today are concerned, circularity is one of the most important focus that we have as an organization. When we talk about circularity, it talks about repurposing and reusing materials rather than extracting virgin materials for the use of product building and manufacturing. Through that, we look at all the resource materials, like it may be water, and at the same time materials. So what we call actually as waste is looked at as a resource which is misplaced, and we every time we make a product, design a product through its life cycle, keep evaluating at which stage of the product is there a material byproduct generation, and how can we upscale and use that material into another product or another useful purpose and avoid it from going to landfill. And one of the targets under our sustainability strategy is to ensure that we are disposing zero waste to landfill, therefore actually upcycling and recycling all the material which is generated out of our processes. And through circularity, we look at the life cycle and design of a product, design for environment, substituting of raw materials, use of recycled materials, thus actually creating an economy for these substitute materials and driving economy. That's how we actually are integrating circularity in our strategy and in our business.